Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sonia with Sonia Down South, and I'm in a Tablescape Tuesday collaboration, and it's hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and the guest is Lifestyle Design with Teresa. And our theme for this Tablescape is falling leaves. So I want you to join me as you observe my tablescape and some of the decorations I have for falling leaves. Okay guys, the colors I chose to use for this tablescape are terracotta being my primary color, gold being my secondary color, and wheat being my accent color. And I will show you exactly where they are because you may not be familiar with the fact that where is her wheat? The wheat is there too. It's in my centerpiece and it's also in my chargers, but I will show you as I go along. But those are the colors that I chose, and they are fall colors and they're very lively, so that's the reason I chose them to do this tablescape. Okay, guys, as you look at my table, you're gonna see some different different things on the table. I decided to be a little bit unique. I wanted to make the table just a little bit different from usual. So what I did is I not only used different chargers, but I also used different placemats. I used different colors, and I mixed it all together to give it a different look. So even though they are different, it still brought out a really nice looking fall table. So as you look at it, and I will show you the difference, you will see that things are just a little bit different on this table. It is a fall table, and that it's full of decorative leaves, either on the table or on the plates, as you will see. But the mats and the chargers are different, textures are different, and designs are different. So there's a lot of differentiation in this table, but it came together really nicely. And I like to know if you think that. So I'd like to hear some comments from you. Tell me if you think this looked good being different like that. And here I will show you what I mean, because here I have a wheat placemat with a stylish charger, and the other right next to it on the other side is a gold placemat with a stylish charger, the same charger on this one, with the leaves in the plate, but the placemat is different on this one. And on the other one, I didn't go over to that one, but I have a total different style charger The design of the charger is different, but it's still gold, but its design is different. So I mixed and matched a lot of things together here. And even my runner is terracotta, but so is my napkins. They are terracotta, but they're different colors. So I kind of wanted to make the napkins stand out, the runner stand out. But overall, it's all matching. It all blends together very nicely for the fall. And the leaves are there. As you can see, I have leaves on the table. I have leaves in my centerpiece, and I also have leaves in my plates. So this was a really nice adventure for me. I just changed my style of decorating to just to make it a little bit odd, a little bit different, but it came out really nice. And I hope that you enjoyed it. And if you did, give me a thumbs up. Let me hear from you. Give me comments. I like to know what you think about what I did with this table. And don't forget to go over to the other ladies' channel and watch their tablescape Tuesday decoration as well. This has been a really experience for me. I enjoyed it, and I hope that you did too. And if you did, may God bless you and may God keep you. Bye-bye.